My breakfast right now is oats with some milk and chia seeds. I've got rooibos with some lemon, and fruits I've got nargis, banana, and something sweet, a carrot cake. I am currently making dinner. That was delicious. I'm on my way out to a park run near me. Guys, it's very difficult for me to walk with my dog on a leash because he's such a free roaming dog. So I just let him loose for a while. Also, this park is actually quite nice. This should actually be a couple's thingy, Bob, but he's with the babe. I left him sleeping. Guys, I'm having such a good time. I don't know if you can tell. Also, I'm going to be tracking my steps on Strava. Today at work, I bought some popcorns. These are sea salt and black pepper flavored. I really enjoy these, and I did such a mom thing earlier today. I thought maybe I shouldn't have them and I should wait to get home so I can share them with my son, because he has never had popcorns. And then I bought him this vegan peach flavored cultured coconut yogurt. He can't have any dairy. And then I also decided to get him some jam. I want to make it now with bread, because lately he's been enjoying bread. And then yes, 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 yeah. Oh, puppy, you're so good. Hey gorgeous, welcome back to another lovely vlog. My name is Kat. If you're new to my channel, welcome or welcome back. Really glad that you're here. Today's a warm winter day, which is really great because at least we can be outside. We've been having back-to-back gloomy days, which are so depressing, and I've been cooped up. I've been watching a new series in bed the whole time while working when I'm at home. And while I enjoy being in bed warm with my tea, it's really great that today we can actually be outside. My plan, if everything goes well, is to take my boy to a park. I once went to a park 2 weeks ago at this point with a friend, and I really love that park. And since these days he has discovered outside, he has discovered soiling himself in sand. I think it would be really nice for him just to be outside, to see dogs that they're all called Ollie, and other kids, just a different environment. I think it would be really nice. So when I woke up today, I woke up really late, later than I would have liked, because I feel like my Saturdays these days are so busy. I'll let you know. So the first thing that I do every morning when I wake up is to immediately take my boy to the potty. When my boy was home, I asked my mom to kickstart helping me introduce potty training to him, and so far it's been going so well, you guys, except for the one time last week when he pooped while standing, and then I had to pick up the poo and clean, and it was a whole thing. But so far I think naturally he just wants to go in the morning, so I just take off the nappy, put him on the potty, and then leave the room, and then I come back and then we say done, clap, and we just like rejoice. And I feel like he's getting it. It's been 2 months, and then after that I bathe him. I prefer to take care of him in the morning first thing before I even get to myself, because I don't have a nanny on the weekend. My weekends are also busy because I have online classes. I don't know if I told you in maybe my previous vlogs that I have enrolled in a 1-year course at Menkosa. It's just to keep me relevant in my line of work and also like the marketplace. It's just like good so that my brain doesn't atrophy. So this weekend, Saturday and Sundays, I've got 3 classes. My last classes for the entire semester before before exams in June, which, if I'm being honest, between me and you, I haven't started preparing for, and I need like a solid plan for me to like know what to do. But then I'm going to be taking leave in that period, so hopefully things end up working out. I'm digressing. So the plan for the rest of the day is to have 1 more class, prepare my dombolo dough, and then go out to the mall to buy things for my boy. It's month end. I'm running low on his supplies, and then, like I said, if everything goes well, we'll go to the park. I just want to have like a chill day, and I think the nice thing about today is also the fact that I have uploaded 2 vlogs that I've been working on. I just need to work on the thumbnails and deciding on the publishing date. I've already started working on a 3rd vlog, which is going to be like a life lately, a moody, easy vlog. And I need to just go through the footage to see like what's there, because vlogging lately looks completely different from like what I think it should look like. And then I'm vlogging today, obviously. It's the middle of the week and I decided to cook a Sunday course. On the menu we've got the most delicious chicken stew I've ever cooked, a dombolo, and sauteed spinach, brown rice, coleslaw, my absolute favorite, and roasted butternut with a little bit of cinnamon.